Damn it, I keep accidentally hitting the one button on the side of the phone and it keeps stopping it and starting again. I apologize for that. So it's been, what, about 40 minutes? And
they're still a little moist, but I'm going to go ahead and score them now. Still very flexible. Much more than I want it to be.
should we wait?
So, well, we'll see how it looks when I got them all done.
No.
I mean, we're gonna wait. But... Okay, we'll start from this side. Now, I think we might switch to a different board too here. This one's got this nasty areas.
I'm standing in front of the boards, aren't I?
So we used to
Here, let me go over here.
we used to have a shop next to a place that made kitchen cabinets, and they had all this leftover pieces of board that were not big enough for them to cut a sink or anything. Okay. So I had eight of them at one time.
Wow.
And I just covered them with the
canvas and kept.
Well, yeah, because they already had this melamine or whatever. Already had that surface. So for regular boards, I learned the hard way to put shelf paper down because wood will warp. You know, when it absorbs that much moisture. So
that's a tree.
But these here were closet shelves in my old house in Reno.
Yeah, it works. It's all about the process.
This scoring is, I saw a guy one time that just used a dinner fork. That was it for scoring. That was all. But his pieces, they were like this thick.
Oh my!
And in the end, they were big.
There's a big 4-foot sculptures.
Big pieces. So.
I guess for necessity's sake, yeah.
Yeah, one thing I learned from the amphora exercise was pointy bottoms.
Yeah, what a pain in the ass.
You want a big, wide, flat bottom. You don't want a tippity
No. I can only imagine how you fired that.
So I was making things that were so tall, but making the point at the bottom was in itself an issue, but then you add to that the tippettiness. Okay, now this. Let's see. Think on this one. What do you think? That pinch. Okay. So. The needle.
Oh, it's right there. Sorry. Here, let me put my shit in the way.
I dropped one earlier.
Oh, I haven't gotten it yet.
No big. Get to you'll make them 3/8. 6 9. Okay, 3/8. And one spare. Okay. And the angle. I want them to go. Let's call it. Okay. And let's see. Okay. So you
And what's this you're doing?
feet.
Yeah.
So I'm going to make 5 of them. And with any luck, I'll get 4 that are good. Oh, see, this clay is still a little wet. It's sticking to the... Come on. Okay. Okay. So I'll set these aside
Off
now.
to the side.
And small pieces dry out fast.
Ooh.
The smaller they are, the faster they dry out. So I might think about putting something on top of those. With this little piece, I'm going to make a little brace to put in the center. What? There it is. So now I have a little piece that is the height of what these feet will be. So that when I go and put the weight on it, it'll be evenly
Sturdy.
distributed
Yeah.
until it dries.
Hmm.
Okay.
Go. Am I in your way?
Just want to grab this for this dry scrap. While I'm waiting for that to get a little drier,
Oh, sorry.
I will go ahead and get this going. It's all that cut-offs from earlier.
Hmm.
And okay. Okay.
Hmm.
And
Your bag of bags. Everyone needs a bag of bags.
these are the bags that the clay originally came from, which
Oh.
is like much thicker than the
Then the
dry
dry
cleaning
cleaning.
bag. Yeah, but
That'll work.
how's that song go? Save it for later.
Yeah.
So
There you go. Whoa. Damn it.
so later on, some morning, I will wedge that all up and
Okay.
eventually it'll be used again.
Okay.
Let's see. Now this, I just
Still too pliable.
yeah, but they're not far. Okay.
Okay. Let's we'll be right back.